Hi and welcome. I take it you found my channel because you have some burning questions you want answers to. Maybe you've just started your journey into gardening, or you're a seasoned gardener who is facing some challenges in your own gardens. No matter how you found my channel or why you are here, the important thing is you are. And on this channel, you will find the solutions to any gardening challenge you may face. And I'm here to help you face those challenges head on. Before I continue though, I'd like to say just one thing. You're already well on your way to becoming a perfect gardener, because to master gardening we must first learn to fail. It's only then that we will travel the road to learn the new skill sets that's required to become more productive gardeners. You may be here because of that journey, but you're in the right place, because on this channel we deal with all things gardening, poultry keeping and beekeeping. If you want that perfect garden to relax in, or want to grow your own nutrient dense foods, then start now by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss any new content that I put out that will help you learn the new skills required to be a more confident gardener. I'm Tony O'Neill and this is UK Here We Grow. And remember folks, you reap what you sow. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.